Hi, we already know how to append elements at the end of a list. This is what we use the append method for. In this video, we learn how to insert elements at arbitrary positions in a list. If we want to add elements at arbitrary indices, we can use the method insert with parameters index and x, which inserts x at index. Have a look. You have a list, dates, and now let's insert an element to this list at index 2. We can do it like so. Dates, insert, at index 2, the following element. And now, here's our dates list. We can insert an element at the end, which is what we also achieve using the append function. We can do it like so. Dates, insert, at the end, so we can use the len function. And we can append the following element. Fine. Or we can use the new index the object will be at. So, dates, insert. Now, here, the last index now is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can use the new index, which is 6, at which the new element will be inserted. For example, like so. And here's our days list. We can even use any index greater than the last one. So we could do something like this. Dates, insert, for example, 50. It works too. The index will be set to the next available index anyway, so in this case to 7. So even though we try to insert the new element at index 50, it will be at index 7. Let's check it out. Dates, index of this element is 7. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.